Here we go, guys. We're about going to hail. We're about going to hail. Here we go. She's coming in. We just literally had a tornado on the ground. That was insane. Oh my God. They can see my radar, so. Oh my God. Here we go, Mom. Here we go. That purple is hail. Here we go. It's gonna come out this way. I'll put my glasses on. Oh, flip. Baseball is possibly, not for sure. Got hail coming in, Dad. It's not gonna miss us this time. Mother Nature's here for revenge. Now the wind's gonna die down. The hail's gonna come out that way. Oh! Oh! Yeah, we're in the circulation. I'm gonna turn on dual panel.
That chicken's ain't out now. Water's going from bucket to bucket now.
Yep.
I see some hell.
Yep. Oh! Ray's frantic. We're in the circulation. Here we go. Peace side's hail so far. Peace side. Here we go. Oh boy. Okay, hear it. I'm gonna get hit in the freaking shoulder in mine. Oh boy, here we go. It's not gonna be that bad, I don't think. Oh, oh my God. Giant size. Oh God. Mom, give me the radar. We're in it. Ow! We're in the circulation. Tornado by the tornado we saw. Tornado by the tornado. Oh! Ow! Take a look at the radar.
I just made Dakota just got back with the
2-inch hail incoming. Quarter size now, at least.
Alright, I'll let you go.
Oh my God. And just think 8 o'clock is going to be a wedge. Oh, flip. Oh, crap. I made a good video. I can say that for a fact. Oh no, we could actually be in a tornado. We got a tornado just to our south. Hey, Mom!
Yep.
Oh my God. Severe thunderstorm warning! Yeah, we're at severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning. This thing's rotating so hard. It's rotating so hard. Sorry, I was just trying to clean off the phone. Eesh. Here comes more hail. Here's the next storm. Lake Park in your safe spot. New storms are forming. Spencer, take shelter. Milford, take shelter. Spear Lake, take shelter. Here we go again. Trying to see if there's any big hailstones. That was pretty cool seeing that tornado, Dad. The way, oh, here we go again. Hit me in the arm. Or even bigger, I think. Here we go, brother. Is that hell down right there, Dad? Oh. Oh, my dad is dominating. Actually, I should probably put on my hat if I want to go. Does it hurt, Dad? I said, does it hurt? Oh, crap. Oh, God. Oh, that's a big one. Smash, though. Yeah, they definitely got pretty big. Oh my God. My God, that was a wonderful storm. Anyways, guys, we're gonna wrap up the video here. See you guys in the next storm that's gonna hit in the next couple hours. So, see y'all later.